What's up, bakers? I'm Valentina and this is my Dia. Today we're making pizza! But not just any pizza, we're making pizza of my heart.
Dun, 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 dun. We are making heart-shaped pizzas today. We are throwing in a little bonus today. We saw these glorious garlic not cheese situation thing on Instagram and we just had to make them to accompany our heart pizzas, right?
Yeah!
Do you want to walk our bakers off what we have here in front of us?
Yeah, we got grand flaky layers, 8 big biscuits.
Yep.
We got mozzarella trees.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got some crusted butter.
We put in some salt, pepper, some parsley, and some red pepper flakes. We're also going to be adding a whole lot of garlic. And when I say a whole lot, you know, you can throw in like 1 or 2 cloves, but we love garlic. So this is a whole lotta, which is a measurement for sure. And that's gonna go right in. Perfect.
Smells like pizza already.
Good. So good. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is pop our biscuits open.
Yeah.
Perfect. So what we're gonna do is flatten these out, and we're gonna stretch them a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is take a piece of our cheese. So we're gonna pinch it at all sides. You see? So it creates like a little capsule. And then if you want, you can actually just roll this on the counter and it'll form into a little ball. You see?
So cute. We're back. And now we're gonna move on to the next step.
Yep. Take our mixture and you're gonna pour a little bit on each one, okay? Good job, Mama. The trick is when you're making things with garlic,
It's very
everyone is eating it. Therefore, everyone's breath is stink. That is the real trick. That's the way to go, am I right? Then I could be like,
you.
do you ever see that episode of SpongeBob where they realize they're not ugly, their breath just stinks?
I mean, we're not ugly. We just stink. Stink?
All right, bakers, this is gonna go into a 425 degree oven for about 10 minutes.
They look amazing.
So good. Remember guys, safety first in the kitchen always. This just came out of the oven. Valentina is not going to be touching this pan. We gotta top this off with our last amount of garlic butter. Fills your whole home with delicious buttery goodness. Stage 2, pizza!
Pizza!
So what you're gonna wanna do now that the garlic knots are out of the oven is preheat your oven to 450 because we're making pizza and it needs to be nice and hot. And we have a pizza stone already in the oven. If you don't have a pizza stone, it's to flip over a sheet pan and also let it come to temperature in the oven. And the point of that is so when you put your pizza in the oven, this is already really hot, so it immediately starts to crisp the bottom and then you get that so delightfully crispy crust, right? Yes! We are gonna go over the ingredients that we have here.
Pizza cutter. We got some yummy pepperonis.
It is yummy, we've been snacking. Shh.
No. We also got some delicious pizza sauce.
You can use your favorite store-bought marinara, or it's super simple to create your own little pizza sauce. You just do a little bit of tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, pep, you're good to go.
Cheese.
I will say, bakers, for the cheese, please, I beg of you, grate it yourself. The ones that come in the bags won't do it. They just have too much of that like powdery pasteurized substance on it and it won't melt on the pizza properly. And then last but not least,
dough.
You can make your own dough. Maybe in the future we will do that to you, but for busy, people that are running around and getting out of work, this is the perfect solution. Our local supermarket, Publix, actually rolls it out and then folds it up. It's the most convenient thing ever. What we're gonna do is
the flour?
Yep. Have our pizza dough here. Now we're gonna make it into a heart. How about I let you have fun with this one? And let's go for it. Let's see how it turns out, okay? Okay, should we take this part out?
Yeah.
It also look a little like Mr. Pac-Man. Oh. All right, so now that we have our nice heart shapes, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna put a little bit of flour on it, and we're gonna leverage this to put it into the oven. If you have a pizza peel, guys, that would be great. And then what we wanna do is decorate our pizza heart. So we're gonna grab our sauce and our cheese. All right, that's looking lovely. All right, cheese it up, my love.
I love me cheesy.
I love cheese too. It's so good.
The cheese is the best part. That's why I only like cheese pizza.
And then we got the peps. A big slice.
I made a smiley face.
Perfect. All right, guys. Our first love pizza is done. We're gonna head this into the oven.
While we're waiting, I'm gonna show you how to make bitty little pizzas. Take 2 pepperonis. Now, you are going to take 1 pepperoni and put it in the sauce.
Okay.
You're going to take a little bit of cheese and put it on.
A little bit of cheese.
Where the sauce is.
Okay.
And then, take your last one and put it on top. And then enjoy!
You know what this reminds me of? The Lunchables, the pepperoni pizza Lunchables. And that's like my favorite Lunchable.
I know.
All right, our pizza should be out very shortly. This came out the oven and we are excited for some pizza.
Pizza!
How awesome.
I made this one.
We're all very excited about pizza in our household. This is Valentina's heart. How awesome is this, Mama? You did such a great job. Come a little closer. This crust. Yeah, I know you hear it. We're very excited. It is time to cut into this baby. Oh man, I'm excited for
Don't
this.
forget about the garlic.
Oh yeah, we can slice into this too. These smell so good. Oh, and look at that cheese inside. You see? So cool. Here, you have a little piece and I'll have a little piece. Ready? Cheers. Oh, this is so good. That garlic. And the moment of truth, pizza, pizza. Cheers.
Pizza!
Lily, do you want to come have some pizza?
My sister's here.
Our special guest, Lily. You want to try some? Yeah. Can I have a bite? So good, right? You put the perfect amount of sauce on this pizza. It's cheesy. There's a great crust. You like? Yeah, because we love pizza.
Saucy.
It's pizza.
Cheese.
Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, Yummy Thumbs Up, and our TikTok, also on Yummy Thumbs Up. So next time, bakers.
Ciao for now. We say bye, Lily.